welcome to this week's episode of the Teen Cooking Show. This week we are going to be making burrito bowls. A little bit of a cheat on the 5 ingredients or less because you can kind of add whatever you want and make them as interesting as you want. So what I'm showing you will be 5 ingredients or less, but if there's a lot of other stuff you like, it will be more. So your basic burrito bowl has a base of rice. I'm just using regular white rice. You can use a lot of what you have in the house. Black beans. And then I'm going to be adding an avocado. And then for toppings, I'm going to do sour cream and salsa. So I think that's 4. And then we have salt, which we generally don't have. And then I'm also going to be adding chili lime, which is my favorite spice. Your base for your burrito bowl is going to be your rice. So for rice, you're just going to follow the directions on the package based on how much you want. This is half a cup. Rice expands quite a lot, so you won't want to overdo it. So you'll wait for your water to boil, and then you'll use approximately double the water that you do. So I did half a cup of rice, cup of water. Once it's boiling, put it in the pot. And you'll see it was in a strainer, so you will rinse the rice before you put it in the pot. And stir it a little bit, and then you'll just put the lid on and let it simmer for approximately 20 minutes. You'll want to kind of check it to see if it's getting the consistency that you like. If you want it to be a little bit softer rice, you can add a little bit more water. If it looks like it's drying out, you can add a little bit more water. So it's going to take about 20 minutes, and then when we're done with that, we're going to add the beans and whatever else you want to throw in your burrito bowl. As it's getting to be about the consistency you want. Let's see, the water has been mostly soaked up by the rice. You'll start adding your other ingredients. So we have the black beans. This is about half a can of black beans, and again, I drained the juices and rinsed them. Throw it in there. All right. So there's kind of the base of your burrito bowl. I added some chili lime. And then I'm going to be adding avocado. At this point, if you're serving a lot of people, you can leave it as it is and then have other stuff for them to put in themselves, kind of Chipotle style. Or if it is just for yourself, you can make it exactly how you want it. Then just gonna throw in a little bit of sour cream. It's not your thing. Don't worry about it. Then just a little bit of salsa, or if you like a lot. And then from there's your base. If you don't like avocados, don't include avocados. But then from there you can add tomatoes, onions, corn, cilantro is really good in it. Kind of go wherever you want. Thanks for joining us in making burrito bowls this week. Just kind of a note on the rice. My finished product, the rice was still a little stiff. Rice takes a lot of practice and experimentation to get exactly the consistency you're looking for. And also remember to follow the directions on your bag of rice, as different rices occasionally have different water cook times, all of that stuff. If you give it a try, let us know, and we'd love to hear what types of things you threw in your burrito bowl, what spices you're using.